Holy cow, the water's really low. Man, oh man. It's August 2nd, 2025. Yeah, that's really low. I don't know what they're doing with it. There used to be a dam up here this way that they tore out. But that wouldn't affect this down here. Except for, when they opened or closed it. Oh, look at these beautiful flowers right here. That's really nice. A lot of beautiful flowers here. Yeah, nice time of year. It's a nice day except for the smoke in the air. Besides that, it's really fabulous. Yep, this is great. I don't know what he had. Anyway, love ya.